Hey guys, how's it going? Today's your boy, LetsGoBJones. If you guys watched my previous video, you guys know I went to the J Park, Simon Dominic pop-up shop, and I ended up buying this turntable. And it's still in its wrap, okay? Is the turntable. I'm gonna open it for you guys. All right, here we go. Let's try to open this together. And pretty much, you have to build your turntable. It comes with some paper. Here is your turntable. Where are the instructions? Oh, I think I just broke it. You guys don't have instructions for us? Okay, so we got these things right here. I got something right here. What did I get myself into? Oh! Okay, that's a screwdriver. Okay, let's do this. I'm gonna end this video right here and I'm gonna make another video talking about how I'm making this box, cause this is a little complicated. In the last video, I started to make it, but I decided that it'll be a better content to make it in a new video. And as you guys can see, I am quite flustered because there's a lot of stuff that I have to do and I've never done anything like this before. So without further ado, I'm gonna start to make this turntable. And before I start this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and do all that kind of good stuff. If you guys like this kind of content, I'll keep it up. But yeah, let's do this together, okay, you guys? You can't really see my face, but it's a YOLO. Let's get it. Okay, you guys, you can't see my beautiful face. Before you start to enjoy it, please read the user manual carefully. Oh my God, USB power bank? Jeez. We got this instruction manual right here. So remove the top cover and take the Spinbox module core. So we have this box, which is the top cover. We have the Spinbox module core, the module holder, which is this. This paper inside right here is considered the bottom plate. And we have, I guess, the chassis. So that's the unboxing. Then I have to do an inventory check. Okay, I gotta see if I have a screwdriver. I got a screwdriver. I got two speakers. Okay, I got the PCB. I got the front PCB. Everything should be in here. I don't know, you guys. Oh, metal shillings, paper washers. Everything looks like it's gonna be in here, I hope. And I'm just gonna start making this thing as we go. Remove the plates on 4 sides of the module holder to retain the modular. So supposedly, you guys, I have to break these off. Okay, let's break these off in a peaceful, calm way without ripping anything. I'm so scared. You guys can see me trembling. Okay, you guys, I figured out a way to make the audio a little bit better. I'm gonna record my face off of my cell phone, and then I'm gonna record the bulk of this stuff over here. So, okay, so what we have done so far is that we removed the plastic plates on all 4 sides of the modular holder, retaining the modular holder. Done. Separate the chassis into 2 layers, paying close attention to the direction of the tear strip. Retain the lower half of the bottom with the bottom plate because you will need this as the chassis of the Spinbox. And there's a certain way to separate this. This is so confusing. We're just gonna tear this apart. There we go. Come on. Okay, next step, you guys. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Step 3, remove the plate on the top cover. As you can see, that's our next instructions. How did I get stains on my thing already? That's so weird. Top cover, which is right here. And we are going to pop this out. Top cover has been removed. Place the double-sided tape the modular holder. Okay, I'm supposed to put some double-sided tape, then fasten the Spinbox core module to the top cover of the module holder. So I need to put some double-sided tape here, 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 one right here, there, and there. Okay, so let's do this. It says, so I only need to put it on one side for now. So I got tape here, tape there. I feel like a tech review, you guys, because this is very different than the type of videos that I usually make. And they said they want one right here. I made a mistake, but I feel like, and it's a fixable mistake. That step is done, okay? Next step is fasten the Spinbox core to the top module. Okay, so we gotta check out all the stuff. I should have 2 paper washers. Okay, I got some screws. This is a needle or something. Some screws, some springs. Where are the paper washers? The 2 things I have, what is this? Volume knob, power thing. paper washers. I don't have paper washers. I have metal washers, I have plastic nuts, plastic screws, but I'm looking for the paper washers and I do not see that I have paper washers. Ah, the paper washer is built into the box. Okay, so I gotta go from 1, 2, 3. That's how I have to build this up. So what I have to do now is pretty much take off these tape strips I have right here. I have to take off these tape strips and then I have to get the metal taping screws and the springs. So the first step that I would have to do is pretty much do it like this. I have to put it in like this, you guys. It's double-sided tape. Ah, there we go. So what we're gonna do is just do this very carefully. Oh, this is so scary. How many screws should I have? It's kind of like weird because you're working bottom to top. So this is not really fitting inside of the box that it's supposed to go into. Oh, my punch out holes are off. My holes are off, you guys. Are you kidding me? That's not fair. Why are my holes off? My holes don't fit in properly. There we go. Okay, so now we got the hole in. This is set up in correctly. I think it's better to just go in from the top. Okay, all my holes are technically in, pressed in. I'm pressing it in. So now the only thing I have left to do is screw these screws in. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There they all are. And some have paper washer and some don't. Let me get my screwdriver. Sorry for this part, you guys. I just want to make sure I get this correct. Okay, I got one in, you guys. The thing is, I don't know how tight this is supposed to go in. Okay, that's in. Is this going in? It's pretty much well secured now. Okay, next, chassis assembly. Using a screwdriver, remove the plastic cloth. Remove the plastic plates covering the screw holes on the opening of the chassis. Pop these little holes out right here. Let me pop these little holes out for you guys. Okay, next hole's been ah! I ripped it! What's the bottom plate? Ah, remove the bottom plate's holes. Taking out them hose. So now it's saying, put this in here. Boom, that's in there. Great. Assemble the rubber feet. We're gonna put the metal washer inside. Okay, there we go. All the pieces that we need. This is really fun, you guys. Like, I wish I was like a tech YouTuber. This is really interesting. Just building things like this. This is really fun. It doesn't want to go through. There we go. One screwed in. Okay, done. Screwed in, everything's good. Next, we're gonna assemble the plastic handle where bend the two ends to fit the handle grip on the chassis. Where is the plastic handle? Where is the plastic handle? I don't honestly have one. I really don't think I have a handle. I got the speakers, I got this little cat, I got that. I honestly don't think, here it is. It's like hidden. So I put the plastic handle right here. This is supposed to be on the inside. There we go. I don't know, this is weird handle, but it fits, it works, it's in. Handle is inside. Next, place the cable panel aside on the inside of the Spinbox. Screw in the side panels on the outside using the plastic screws. Okay, where's the Spinbox? Okay, we got this. So I guess this is the cable panel and nut. Screw and nut, just screw and nut. No washers needed or anything like that. No, it says that's the correct way. I wish it let me put that in first, because that would have been much easier. Screw it in pretty nice. No, really, where's my screwdriver? Oh, it's right here. Got it. Found my screwdriver. Okay. Screwed in. Good to go. Sounds good. Screw the rear PCIB into the chassis from the bottom side. So the rear PCIB, I guess it's this. Post this into there. You gotta screw that in. Just get one in there and the rest should align. One of my screws came out like at an angle because that's what happened. It went in at an angle, so it didn't screw in properly. But now I got it proper. Done. That took longer than I expected. We're almost done with this thing, you guys. It's only like 3 pages left. Yeah, I can finish in like 5 minutes. Okay, screwing the PCIe chassis from the bottom side. So now, gotta put in this and PCIe chassis. So that goes outside. And then we just screw these 4 pieces in. Okay, let me just get this one piece in. They all keep coming in at an angle, which is not what I want. You see, this one's going in too. This one doesn't want to like go in properly, but I guess it's fine for now. It's good enough. Okay, so yeah, finally got the next part in. And as you guys can see, here's my PCI bus. It looks so amazing. It's actually getting some kind of weight to it. Why do I have 1 screw here? What's up? I got an extra screw and I don't know why. Who come out? Let's check. Screws inside. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah? No, I just think I had an extra screw on accident. So now I gotta take the metal shieldings and the speakers and put them inside. The speaker cable should face the handle side. So these go, so here's the shieldings. They're gonna go right there. And then the speaker cable should face the handle side. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, okay. You gotta like fight it through the box for it to push through the box. And once it's through the box, you're just finally like, yay, one's in. I kind of want to know how this sounds. Like, I don't want to open my album, but if I have to, because that's like the only record I have, I guess I might. Let me show you guys more of me screwing some stuff in. Don't break. There you guys go. There's a magnet in there to make the music come out. Music makes you lose control. Damn, this is kind of hard now because there's no space. I gotta like touch the wiring. I don't want to touch the wiring while I do this. There we go. It looks so beautiful. I think we're almost at the final page, you guys. Almost there. Plug the speakers in. So now I gotta plug these speakers in. They don't give us no tape. Connect the front PCIe with cable A. Music makes you lose control. See, that one's in. This one's not in. So the cables that gotta go into this guy is gonna be this 2 cable here, and let me put it into the other side. Okay, so now we're gonna finish up this box right now. We're almost done. So we're gonna just build it from the backwards first. It says, so we're just gonna put the volume button in it, and then slip everything inside, and then push down and pull out. So now I got this, it's carryable, and I have my non-slip mat. So, okay, the volume pin, connect. I think this is the volume button. Connect a power supply. You got it plugged in. So here are the controls. The power is down here, line in, line out. Okay, I can put music to play through this. I have headphones. Dang, this is confusing. What is this? Is it on? How do I turn it on? I don't know how this thing works. I think I need a different battery pack. What did I forget? Is that the paper? Oh, wait. Oh my gosh. Well, I forgot to put the paper washers on this. That makes sense. Okay, so this Spinbox thing goes into here. And then assemble the anti-resonant gold plate into the top. Let's see if I can get this done quick. So it looks like I technically have to like undo all this just to put another paper washer in there and put it back up. Paper washer goes here and here. So we just need done. Back in business. Let's put these screws back in and everything's good. Let's screw that in. That cable's in. That cable's in. This is the Spinbox. Let's see if it plugs in. So I'm gonna try and plug it into this cable source that I have right now and see if it runs. If it doesn't, then there's a problem with it. So I guess there's something wrong with it. Maybe a cable's not plugged in properly. Well, that's it, you guys. I don't know why it's not working. I'll troubleshoot this in a minute and figure it out. But yeah, that's this box. I found out the problem. I got it working now. Watch it. I think I had it just turned off. Like the actual thing was turned off, and that's why it wasn't working. But now I have it turned on and it's working. So the problem is, I think this plate was in the way and it wasn't allowing to connect. So I gotta figure out the way to plug it in and let it connect still. So let's try and do that. It's not close enough. You see that it's not working no more? I see. So it doesn't even go close to it. You gotta like drill this in. You gotta drill this in first to allow this to work. I'm gonna go and try and do that. Okay, you guys, I finally got it working. I spent like an hour. I just went through and filed this down with this file. It took forever. So let me show you guys how it looks and how it works. Okay. It's plugged in quite snugly at the moment, and then it's working. Finally, it's working. It's working. It's working. Now I'm gonna plug these screws back in and everything is gonna be okay. That took forever. That took like an entire hour, you guys. But it's hard now because this damn PCI thing's inside here. So I gotta figure out how to get it on. Come on. Get on there. Simon and Dominic. Dun, 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 dun. Hey, hey. Now we just gotta plug it in again. And it works. Finally. And then we have a little cat that we can put on the thing. But how do I get the needle to come out? Let me see. Okay. You guys, I'm gonna open this, okay? I'm scared. Let's open this right now. And see how this works. Okay, unboxing. Simon Dominic. It's a vinyl. Oh, there's an A side, there's a B side. Okay, let's move this cat. Because maybe it's a cat. Okay, so we have some power on it. So I guess this thing starts off like, okay. What? Oh, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool, you guys. So how do I tell where the start is? I realized I can get records now and I can hook them up to a speaker system. Okay. So let's see how this works. Okay, that's cool. Okay, that's pretty cool, you guys. Okay, you guys, that's the end of the video. I want to say thank you for checking it out. As you guys can see, I just built my turntable. It's pretty fresh, and you got to hear some, like 2% of the Simon Dominic Nope in Flames album. If you guys like this type of videos, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave in a comment below what kind of videos you guys want to see next. Like always, take care and fighting!